For this screencast, I'm gonna play the game of Flappy Code activity by Hour of Code. Attach a block to the when click block. Okay, then press run. Click or tap the screen to move Flappy to the target. Okay, this seems like an interesting game. So I guess when click, I'm gonna put play random sound. That sounds good. Then I guess we have to drag it over here and then press run. Oh, I guess when click, you got like a flap so he doesn't fall. Oh, I guess we control it. Oh, it plays a random sound and it flaps when we click it. Oh, that seems nice. Okay, your code looks good. It will flap with each click, but you need to click many times to flap to the target. Okay. Your code looks good. It will flap with each click, but you need to click many times to flap to the target. Okay, I guess. Attach a block to the when click block, then press run. Keep on putting flap. Let's see what happens. Oh, I see. I guess the target was that, oh yeah, it does look like a small target. I guess I didn't notice it before. So then you completed puzzle 1. Okay. So then puzzle 2. Now we've added some ground. Attach a block to the when hit the ground block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes. Okay, so now we've added some ground. Attach a block to the when hit ground block. Your code needs to end when Flap crashes. When hit ground, end game maybe? Maybe that's what it's asking us to do? Oh, that was easy. Next, the when run block allows you to run code when your game starts. Try setting the level speed and flapping to the target. Okay, the when run block allows you to run code. Okay, when your game starts, try setting. Not quite. You have to use the block you aren't using yet. Okay. The when run block allows you to run code when your game starts. Try setting the level speed and flapping to the target. Okay, so I'm gonna put flap, set speed, normal, maybe random, and then flap. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Flappy will fly through obstacles unless you write. Flappy will fly through obstacles unless you write code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes into the first set of pipes. Attach a block to the unless you write a code to make him crash. Attach a block to the when hit an obstacle block. Your code needs to end game. So I guess end game when hit an obstacle. When run, set speed normal. When click flap. When hit an obstacle, end game. Let's see what happens. Oh, when you hit an obstacle, I guess my code ended the game. Maybe if I didn't put the code, the game would have still kept going. Let's add a scoreboard and count points when Flappy makes it past obstacles. Add to the when pass an obstacle block, and then score a point by flying Flappy through the first set of pipes. Okay, add to the when pass an obstacle block, score a point. Also, I guess coding, what it does is like it helps to create games and stuff. Okay. We need to get fast. Oh, I see. So I guess with coding we could do many things. See if you can still score a point after making Flappy flap either a small or large amount. See if you can still score a point after making Flappy flap either a smaller or larger amount. Score a point. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even, when click, I forgot to add the flap. When click. Maybe I need to reset it. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Keep coding. Something's not quite right yet. See if you can still score a point after making a Flappy flap either small or large amount. When click, flap, I guess when you put score a point. Oh, I see. Oh, well, thank you for watching the screencast.